95 divided by 8. First, draw your box with 2 boxes in it for your 2 digits. Then I'm going to set up my place values with my tens place and my ones place, with my 8 on the side and my 95 in that first box. I will also write out my multiplication facts if I need them. Then I know I'm starting in the tens place, so I'm going to underline my digit in the tens place. Then I'm going to see what's the closest I can get to 9 without going over. That would be 8. I got there by skip counting 1 time. But this 1 is in the tens place, so it's worth 10. Let's multiply on the outside. 10 times 8 equals 80. Then I'll subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. My remainder of 15 will go up into the next spot. And then I know I'm in the ones place, but I have remainders left over from my tens place, so I'll use those too. What's the closest to 15 that I can get without going over? The closest I can get is 8, because 16 is 1 too many for 15. I got there by skip counting 1 time. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract those, and I get 7. Is my remainder smaller than my divisor? It sure is. So that means that that is my remainder. I find my answer by putting these in standard form, which would be 11. My correct answer is 11 with a remainder of 7.